Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And in this video we are going to discuss about an important chart pattern which is called as the flag pattern. This is like a pattern which is used by most of the pro traders in the market. And if you understand how to use it properly, it can make you a lot of money in the stock market. And exactly in this video I am going to teach you how to identify this pattern on the chart, how to use it, where do you enter the trade, where do you place the stop loss, everything. So make sure that you're watching this video till the end, do not skip it. And one more thing, if you find anything valuable, anything that can add value to your trading, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, so let's start with this video, and let me first tell you that this flag pattern is divided into two types on the basis of its formation on the chart. The first is the standard flag pattern and next is the pennant pattern, as you can see on the screen. And the whole concept of flag pattern is divided into two parts. And this video is going to be the part 1, where we will completely understand about the standard flag pattern. In the next part, we will understand about the pennant flag pattern. Alright, so first let us look at the bullish flag. Alright, so first let me tell you that the market never moves in a straight direction. It moves in the form of wave-like structure. So that is when the market is in uptrend, it forms a pattern of higher top and higher bottom. And in a long-lasting uptrend, when the market gives some bearish or downsided move, it is called as the retracements or pullback. And on your screen, the highlighted area is nothing but called as the pullback or retracement in the market. And the flag is nothing but a retracement that lasts for a longer duration. So on your screen, you can see first a strong uptrend which is called as the pole of the flag. And then a longer retracement in the price which is called as the actual flag. So when you find a stock with such pattern, you will wait for a breakout on the bullish side. This is because when the price was actually inside the flag, we can understand that the bears are trying to get the control of the market from the bulls. But after a breakout on the flag pattern, we get a confirmation that the bulls have overpowered the bears. So we can either buy on the breakout or we will wait for the price to retest on the trend line. And when the price does this, we will buy that stock. We will take a long entry in the stock. And our stop loss will be placed below the support. So it is like a small risk, high return trade if you execute it properly. And let me give you one more advice. The trend line that we draw to indicate the flag should be nearly parallel since we are using the standard flag pattern. In the pennant flag pattern, these trend lines can converge with each other. Alright, so next let us look at the bearish flag pattern. So it is like in a strong downtrend, when the market gives a longer retracement, on the bullish side, we get a bearish flag pattern over there. So as you can see on the screen, there is a strong downtrend which is called as the pole of the flag. And after that, we get a bullish retracement which we can mark using parallel trend lines and is called as the flag. And since this is a kind of bearish pattern, we will wait for a breakout from the bearish side. So that is where exactly a breakout happens. And what we can do over here is that we can take a short trade on the breakout or we will wait for the price to retest on the trend line. So exactly here we can take a short trade and our stop loss will be above the resistance. And until the market is falling down, we will be making money. Now let me show you this with a live example in the market. As you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of Nifty 50 index. And you can notice that from a long time, Nifty was in a strong uptrend. And after that, the Nifty actually gave a long retracement which is called as the flag. So you can see the strong uptrend is the pole of the flag and the retracement is the actual flag. And right now, exactly over here, the Nifty has given a breakout from the flag pattern. So it simply means that the Nifty is going bullish. It is continuing the uptrend. And next, you can even see the Nifty actually retested this level using a hammer candle. So right now, we can go bullish on the Nifty with the stop loss below the support. And if we go correct, we can make a good return in the market. So this is exactly how you systematically trade. Here in this video, we are not talking about any tips or news. We teach you how to analyze the market, how to analyze the stock, how to pick out the trades from the market and make money from it. And trust me, even you can become a professional trader by continuously practicing in the market and by continuously learning about it. So this is what our channel Tradingfyive ensures you. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible and to not miss such many content on the stock market and technical analysis, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.